Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your love and romance forecast chance reading for 2022 for Pisces. If your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Pisces, this reading is for you. If you know a Pisces, you can cross watch it for them. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Wins Tarot. Join us on Instagram. To buy a personal reading, friends, visit our website and www.magicwednestarot.com. This is a general reading, may or may not resonate. Also, this is a future reading, so keep your patience and watch it again when the year starts. Also, don't forget to watch your pick a card reading for the year 2022. Link is in the timestamps. Also, there are general horoscopes with charms for the year 2022. Links are in the timestamps. So let's see, Pisces. Let's see how your year will be 2022 in love and romance. Let's see. For Pisces, let's see. The theme of the year 2022 for Pisces. Okay, oh my god, I dropped the cards. I can't pick them out right now. Let's see the star, the Eight of Pentacles. Brilliant. The Eight of Swords and the Six of Cups. This is beautiful, Pisces. So I do feel you are coming out of your comfort zone, out of some past challenges in your love life, Pisces, this year. Definitely any past issues, past challenges, or any troubles that were affecting your love life that are over, and you can finally relax in love. Yes, Pisces, this is your year of true destiny in love. This is your year of fated connections, fated encounters. This is your year of meeting your lover or making your relationships even better. So wow, this is amazing, Pisces. Also, Eight of Pentacles. Yes, you could be meeting somebody at work in your love life. Also, your work will affect your love life and relationships and marriage throughout the year. I do feel you will find a neat balance between your work and love life, but yes, sometimes your work will definitely affect your love life. But I think your partner will not mind it. They will be quite supportive of you, Pisces. Six of Cups. Yes, I do feel a soulmate is coming towards you. A soulmate is really important for you throughout the year. I also feel someone wants to make it up to you, Pisces. Your partner will want to work on this relationship, give you the best, give you the world. I also feel for some of you, it's not just about love. It is also childhood friends returning back into your life. Childhood friends, childhood, lovers, crushes returning back. I also feel this year, Pisces, this is your year of destiny. This is your year of divine encounters, fated meetings. So this is a very, very fated kind of a year for you. So you will always feel something fated is happening in your love life. Also, I'll clarify the Eight of Pentacles because I feel like there is somebody who want to work on this relationship with you, Pisces. Like they want to give it another try or make it better. Like if you're planning to you're married, if you're planning to have a baby, you had no luck, but they want to try again so that you guys can have a baby. Ace of Cups, new romance. Yes, Pisces. This is definitely a new dawn, a new love. Even if you're married, there is going to be like something new happening for your love life. It is like you finding more deep commitment and love. Also, this is your year of self-love. I feel you had been working very, very hard, Pisces, but this is your year when you can finally relax and like let your hair down and enjoy some self-love. So that's great, Pisces. Great. Let's see your love life, okay, throughout the year. Pisces, their love life. Oh my god, that's a lot of cards coming out. Okay. I'm taking everything that's falling on the table actually because that's what I want to keep because that's the thing that's important. Okay, they won't stop jumping out, what to do. Let's see. So Pisces. All right, let's see. Okay. So when you start the year, Pisces, you could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and an Aries, Leo, Sag person. I also feel you could be having a lot of confusion between your heart and your mind, Pisces. Also, there could be definitely two people affecting your love life, Pisces. Some justice, yes, I do feel some of you have been in tough relationships. You could be going for getting some legal victory or something like that, Pisces. But I feel this is more about finding a balance in your love life, Pisces, because your head and heart are saying two things. But this is like when you start the year, you will find some balance between your heart and mind, between passion as well as emotion. So there is some balance coming into your love life. Nine of Swords, yes, I do feel you could be a little worried about your partner's health, or your partner is worried about your health. Some sort of past fears may come again. They may become active again in your love life this year at the start, but I think you will recover from them because justice is with you, destiny is with you, fate is with you. I also feel some of you may actually be recovering from a divorce or some sort of a legal issue in the start of the year. You are completely coming out of it, healing from it. And I also feel some of you will have choices in love. I don't know if you want them or not, but they are there. You will have certain choices in love. So yes, let's see the next part of the year. Okay, so marriages are very important. From May, June, July, August, marriage is very important for you. Four of Swords, take time in deciding what to do. If you are already married, do not take any hasty decisions. They will not go in your favor, Pisces. Also, if you are single, there will be marriage proposals coming your way. There is a high vibe to get married. There are, like the stars are aligning your marriage. And Ten of Wands, yeah, I do feel if you are married, there may be certain pressure on your marriage or relationships because of work, because of the world situation. You may be facing some sort of a pressure or some sort of intensity in your relationships. Ace of Pentacles, like you, for some of you, Pisces, you may find a work in some other city or country, or your partner may find some work in another city or country. That may actually affect your relationship. So external factors like work, that's what I was telling you here also. Work will affect your love life, and very, very strongly. Some of you may also start to, go back to colleges or universities. And that is where you will find new love. You will find a certain choice in love. It is destined. Death, yes, I do feel it's a very, very strong and transformative time for your relationships. It can be a make or break time also, Pisces, so keep your patience. I also feel your relationships have a lot of transformative energy. Like anything you face, you can heal it. You can recover from it if you both stay positive. Let's see how the mid of the year will be. Yes, at the mid of the year, definitely love is coming back. King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. Your relationships will again find the love that you need. King of Swords, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. Eight of Wands, yes, any actions you take in the mid of the year, they will turn fruitful and lucky for you. You will definitely be winning from your, actions. You will be winning in love. Ten of Pentacles, yeah, I do feel that again the issues are actually very external that will affect your love life, like your job, your career, pressures from family, money pressures. All those money or work will affect your love life even in the mid of the year, but I think it will be easier mid of the year rather than this May, June, July. This is a little tough time for you. This will be a little easier time for you. Let's see the end of the year. Oh wow, that's beautiful. The Nine of Wands. At the end of the year, there is a lot of passion in your relationships, Pisces. Passions are really, really high. Three of Cups, celebrations are very high. Some of you could actually be dating or falling in love, or actually be having a wedding by the end of the year. Five of Swords. Yes, I do feel any sort of tensions, any sort of confusions will fall away at the end of the year. The Devil, yes, your partner is obsessed about you. You both are very possessive about each other. You guys cannot leave each other. There is definite love and romance, Pisces. And look at that, the King of Pentacles, a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important for you. I do see, Pisces, this is a people-oriented year for you. So let us see your advice for Pisces. Then we're gonna see your charms. Yes, Pisces, what is the advice for Pisces? Opportunity beckons. So new opportunities are coming in love, new opportunities to test your relationships, new opportunities to bring you destined partners. Heal the star. Yes, your relationships, you are breaking free from past issues and challenges and moving towards love. This is beautiful. Seek the truth, Seven of Swords. Yeah, I think the only problem you will face this year, Pisces, is figuring out which is your heart and which is your mind. There will be certain confusions for you because you may still want to do work, or still want to give importance to money, or your partner wants to value their work, money, finances, but is that really necessary? Or spending more time together is necessary, giving each other this love is necessary. So all these things will matter to you. These questions are important for you this year. How much time should I work? How much time should I give to self-love? So all these things are very important. Important decisions. Four of Wands, joy and stability. Marriage is very important. If you are single, you are ready to mingle. Angel's message for our beautiful viewers for the year, Pisces. Angel's message for Pisces. Okay. Honesty and communication. So yes, being honest about your needs and desires will be very important for you, Pisces. Also, communications are very important throughout the year. If you communicate rightly, things could be very loving. Also, cancel, clear, delete. Yes, I would say that, at times you may choose, at times for you, other things will be important, like family, work, other things, hobbies. And if you are married, you may feel a little guilty, like, why you are prioritizing everything else. You have children, but you still want to do some work. And you are like, why am I doing this? Do not be guilty about it. I think you can find time for yourself also this year. Healing energy. Yes, a lot of things are healing for you, Pisces. So do not feel guilty about asking for your time or taking some time off for yourself or for your lover. You deserve it completely. And compassion, yes, be kind to yourself, Pisces. Don't just work, or don't just be a little guilty this year. Enjoy. And let's see your charms now. Pisces for the year 2022. Oops, that was the pearl that fell down. That's the problem with charms, they never stay at one place. So let's see, Pisces. I think you have a lot of charms, especially than any other sign, I feel. Yeah, no one has so many charms. So let's see. So these are like the months of every of the year. So someone named D and S are important in February. The watering lady. Yes, you are taking, you are taking time to water your goals. Self-love is high. King of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag person is important. The Six of Air, yes, some relationship issues are resolving. Past hurts are resolving. And the protection charm was here, so I'm going to take that. You're very protected. Your relationships are very safe in February. Do not worry. March, telepathy. Also, communications are very important. Dreams, divine signs through dreams. Wedding bells, yes, some of you could be getting married in March, February or March. Let's see April, May. Let's see the May. Dove, forgiveness. Yes, it is time to forgive the past. It is time to forgive a person. Dear, yes, some very sensitive person, or you are very sensitive in the month of May. Tree of life. Yes, laying down your roots, getting married with or meeting someone from the past, your childhood, your crush. Your ultimate partner is also there. Somebody with alphabet C is important. Let's see June. June, somebody from USA is important. Prince of Coins. They could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. Parrot, yes, this person is very sweet voice. They talk a lot. They are very talkative. They are very sweet, or they could be in the public eye. Oh my God, you have two similar initials. That's insane, Pisces. D and S. And again in July, you have the D and S. What's going on? You have to tell me what it means, D and S. So again, this person is important. And the greenhouse, yes, buying property, buying a home together, selling properties, moving in, those things are important in July. Let's see August. Hope. Keep your hopes high in August. Things will get better. Two of Cups, deep romance. Four of Cups, yes, true love is coming for you. Three of Air, you are recovering from past issues in August. Somebody named with T is important. Again in October, somebody named with T is important. And you had the Pearl in November, December. So you are very precious to your lover. So this is amazing, Pisces. Tell me tell me who this person is with the synchronicities. T, DS, DS. My God. You are super blessed, Pisces. Happy New Year. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Wednesday Tarot. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye-bye.